ribbons, and then we're going to cut them to 8-inch pieces, and you can cut them longer than that, and then we can trim them down later as well. And then I like to use pinking shears to cut them. That way they won't fray, and you don't have to use a lighter or fray check, and they're just cut like that. So after you've cut your ribbons, put them in the order that you want to put them on the flip-flops. And then get your flip-flop, and it's just super easy. We're just going to tie them onto the shoe. So starting at the top, just make a knot, and then make another knot. Just trying to get it really tight. And make sure to try and get your tails even. If not, we can go back and make them even. So like I said, if it's longer, it's a little bit easier to make really tight. So keep that in mind if you want to do it that way. And then when you start getting to the edge there, it gets a little bit harder, so you just gotta lift it up a little bit and slide under the ribbon. And then try and tie it under there. And then you can keep going as far as you want. And then all you do is, when you're done with that side, you just go to this side and then start right here and do the same thing. So that finishes just the tying on of the ribbon. And so it looks pretty crazy just like this, and you can leave it like this, or you can trim it down a little bit. And then to do that, just make sure that you have your pinking shears. And just cut it down like that. So just continue trimming it down, and then once you've trimmed it down, you can start on your other flip-flop. And your ribbon flip-flops are all done. And they're so fun and so easy to make, and they're perfect for summer.